Ever faced a crucial PDF document that needed a quick tweak, but felt stuck with an uneditable file? Today, we're going to conquer PDF editing, unlocking the power to modify, annotate, and transform your documents, whether you're on a budget or ready to invest. Let's start with the truly free and accessible options for basic text editing and simple annotations. Adobe Acrobat Reader, the software you likely already have, offers more than you might think. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader if you see an Edit PDF option in the right-hand pane. Click it suddenly. Your text blocks become selectable and editable. You can click into them, delete, and type new content just like in a word processor. Need to add new text? Look for the Add Text tool. Simply click where you want to place your cursor and start typing. It's perfect for adding a quick note or filling in a blank. For more robust free editing, especially if you're comfortable with productivity suites, LibreOffice Draw is a hidden gem. Download and install LibreOffice. Then open your PDF with Draw. This opens your PDF as an editable document. You can select text, change fonts, colors, and even insert new images with ease. Simply go to Insert and choose Image to upload a new graphic. Now, if you need more advanced features or work with PDFs frequently, paid software or premium online services offer streamlined workflows and professional tools. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the industry standard. Its Edit PDF tool is even more powerful, allowing for precise text adjustments, font matching, and seamless image replacement. Click on an image, and you'll see options to replace it with a new file. Simply choose Replace Image and select your new graphic. Acrobat handles the sizing and placement, making it look like it was always there. Beyond text and images, annotation is key for collaboration, and review both free and paid options offer highlighting, underlining, and strike-through tools. Paid software often provides more sophisticated comment boxes, stamps, and markup tools to leave detailed feedback. Whether you choose free or paid, mastering these PDF editing techniques will save you time, improve your workflow, and ensure your documents always look their best. Experiment with these tools and take control of your PDFs.